Hi, this is Shankar. I'm working as assistant professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. In this video, we are going to discuss about associations from object-oriented analysis and design. Let us see what is association. An association is a relationship between classes that indicates some meaningful and interesting connection. For example, you just consider there are two classes. One is register and another one is sale. That represents as a diagram in the right hand side. Register is one class and another class is sale. The association is the register records current sale. So one register records one current sale. The relationship between two classes is 1 to 1, and the association is records current. So as of the definition, it is a relationship between two classes and it indicates some meaningful and interesting connection between two classes. And let us see the naming associations. Association name should start with capital letter. Two common and equally legal formats for association names are paid by or paid by. It means that between two words, we may have hyphen or we may not have any spaces. It means that we should not give any white space. And the default direction to read an association name is left to right or top to bottom. It is the direction for the association. In this diagram, one example is given. Here we have many classes called store, register, sale, and payment. So already I said that the direction for an association is left to right or top to bottom. For example, if you consider the association between store and register, it must be top to bottom. It means that store contains register. The relationship is one to many. One store contains one or many registers. And the next association direction is register, capture, sales. One register, capture, many sales. So here the association is captures. And next association, sale and payment. Sale paid by payment. One sale paid by one payment. So the association is paid by. So you just note down the naming association. So all the association has started with the capital letter, and between two words it may have hyphen or it may not have hyphen, but it should not contain white spaces also. Also, the reading association, sorry, the direction for the association between two classes must be top to bottom or left to right. And the next topic is roles and multiplicity. Roles and multiplicity. Let us see what is role. Each end of an association is called a role. Roles may optionally have multiplicity and name. Let us see what is multiplicity. Multiplicity refers how many objects are connected. How many objects are connected in this diagram? One store stocks many items. The multiplicity role is 1 to many. And next, role name. Next one is role name. A role name identifies an end of an association and ideally describes the role played by objects in the association. For example, if we have two classes, flight and city, and the association is flight flies to city. It means that many flights flies to one city. That is, and here the role name is destination as city, right? So here the role name is describes the role of a city in the files to association, whether the city has source or destination. Source is different and destination is different. So as of this example, flight flies to the destination city, right? That is actually role names. It identifies the end of association. You just listen, the destination is mentioned at the end of an association. right? And next, multiple association between two classes. Two classes may have multiple associations between them in the UML diagram. This is not a uncommon. For example, you just see here we have flight and airport, right? We have two classes. The two classes may have multiple association. The first association is flight. Many flights flies to one airport. From one airport flies from, sorry, many flights flies from one airport. These are the multiple association. Means that simply we have two classes and we have more than one association. That is multiple association between two classes. And the next one is finding association with the common association list. We are finding associations with the common associations list. So here they have given some category list and examples also. For example, the first category list is A is transaction related to another transaction B. The example is cash payment and sale. Second, A is a line item of transaction B. The examples are item sale. And next category is A is a product or service for a transaction B. So the examples are kits, item sale, and flight reservation. So two examples has been considered here. Next one is A is a role related to a transaction B, customer deposit, students fee payment. A is physical or logical part of B. So here seat, flight. Right seat is the logical part of flight. A is seat, B is flight. An engine, car. Similarly, square, board. And next A is physically or logically contained in on B. Register, store, index, book, passenger, flight. So these are all physically or logically contained in the B. So here A is register, B is store. And next A is description for B. It means that product description, item, flight description, flight. And next A is known or logged or recorded or reported or captured in B. Examples are withdrawal, account, sale, register. And next one is A is member of B. For example, player, game. A is player, B is game. So player is the member of game. Pilot is the member of airline. Customer is the member of bank. And next, A is an organizational subunit of B. Department, college. Department is an organizational subunit of college. Like similarly, maintenance, airline. A uses or manages or owns B. Pilot manages flight. Customer uses ATM code. A is next to B. Branch, city, branch. Thank you for watching this lecture, video lecture. Thank you all.